So we're gonna do a little walking tour real quick, but just so you know, we're gonna go out to the lobby, and this is what it's gonna look like. We're looking at tile on the floor around the sides here. We're gonna have carpet in the middle, and then down the center, we're gonna have a wood tile plank, so it ties in the woods and the grays. Going to be gorgeous. We're going to have like 8 different sitting areas in here so that people can relax and use this and also wait for the training room. I also want a video screens for building signage and directory, but then when we're having our meetings at night, we can also have it running on that video so people can sit out here. If they need to come out and talk, they can come out and talk. So we've got this beautiful building. I'm going to make a quick note. Because of how we did this, we got 6 months rental guarantees by the seller. So anybody that's not paying rent this month, next month, or for the next 6 months, we have that taken care of. So our income stream is level. And not only that, we've done some creative things with renegotiating leases. So we've got higher rates on a lot of the leases now. So our cash flow is even going to be better and accelerated. Even in this COVID crap era, we're still doing great. And so we're going to keep on moving on that.